What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to tweet a person on Twitter. So this one is pretty easy. You just need to follow my steps and you can pretty much do it. So first, you just need to create an account on Twitter in order to tweet a person or to tweet, I mean. So after you create an account, just click this plus icon on the bottom right corner and click tweet right here. After that, you can now tweet a person by inserting a at symbol right here, as you can see on the screen. And after that, you will see a bunch of accounts that you have followed or you have not. And after that, you want to choose a person you want to tweet, just click them. You can see in the screen, I click Billie Eilish. And right there, you can now add any additional message you want to add. So, keep in mind that you don't add another at symbol or any other symbols because it may ruin your post. But you can still add GIF or videos if you want. And after you're done with your post, you can now tweet them. Just click this tweet icon on the top right corner, and that's it. That's how you do it. Also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.